Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Themify plugin and themes from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will redirect this type of product page. Okay. Here mention here we mention all the details, all the necessary details for you. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, and here you can select any one theme and plugin you can choose. Okay, so let me open Themify website, and here you can see they have lots of themes. Okay, here you can see they have lots of themes and lots of plugins. Here you can check, so you can select any one theme, any plugin in this pricing. So I will activate on a single domain. Okay, on your one domain. Okay, update validity lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will activate this plugin, this Themify plugin and theme with our original license key in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, your WhatsApp number with country code or your email address and other information, and confirm your payment. Okay. After that you will direct of this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support. So just send your website temporary access with us, and we will activate your plugin and theme with our original license key in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.